Am I the only one that didn't know life could be this awesome? Let's unlock the secrets together. Success isn't just for the elite. It's for everyone, including you. First, set clear goals. Know where you're going. Write them down and break them into smaller, manageable steps. As Tony Robbins said, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Next, stay organized. Use a planner or a digital app to track your tasks and deadlines. Prioritize what's important. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. Third, keep learning. Read books, watch tutorials, and ask questions. Knowledge is power. Albert Einstein said, once you stop learning, you start dying. Finally, take care of yourself. Eat well, exercise, and get enough sleep. A healthy body fuels a sharp mind. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and never give up. Yeah, you've got this. Master your life one step at a time. Start today.